Hey guys, what's up? So, if you just saw my video, there's a wasp. Okay, I haven't put this video up yet, okay, never mind what I just said. So, I am supposed to play softball. I'm all dressed up in my attire, shoes, but these are actually soccer cleats. But I don't care, so, but yeah, I'm supposed to play softball tonight. I have a game, and I'd like to show you these weather conditions. Not too bad. Oh, you think I should play? Then the back. Yeah, I shouldn't even be out here. My mom will probably yell at me. It is lightning and thundering. But the problem is, in my area, it's rained for the past, week. If you're on the East Coast, you know what I'm talking about. So, I just thought I'd make a quick video about that, since I've been slacking. Okay, that's all. Bye.